just gonna go with it. That's it. We're just gonna go with it. Hi, welcome to PJ's channel. I'm so excited. This has been a lifelong thing for me to create my YouTube channel. Started up. I've been, believe it or not, I'm about to transition out of the military. So this is going to be what I do. This is going to be what I love to do. Making videos about makeup, skincare, and I'm so excited. I am just blessed to be able to do this. I'm at a loss for words. So today I'm just going to welcome you. Hope you subscribe. And I'm excited for this next journey in my life. So, well, that is all said and done. Welcome back. Round 2. So I am putting on a face. I've already did my eyes. So I wanted to try out. This is my second application of this. I've tried it before a couple months ago, but I am going to try it again. This is the shade in Illuminate Soft Radiance Foundation, All Spectrum SPF 50 by Tom Ford. I got it at my CCO store, so I didn't pay that full price. It's a beautiful, beautiful foundation. So how I apply this is I shake it up really good, because it's more like a liquidy type. In my experience with SPFs and foundation, you kind of want to shake it up a little, and then I'm going to put, let me get all the glitter off my hand first. I'm going to put, let's do 1 pump, and then that's how it looks. It's really runny. Oh, this color. That's the color, and I'm going to turn that off. It's a very pretty color. Beautiful shade, just beautiful. I'm just gonna kind of spread it out with my fingers, and then I'll do this side. Just applies so good. And then I'm gonna take a sponge and kind of just press that in. It's really pretty. A beautiful foundation, just gorgeous, just gorgeous. And then I'm going to take some more. So that was 1 pump. Usually each side of my face requires a pump, so pump each. It's really lightweight though, and you see it looks light, but in reality it kind of oxidizes, in my opinion. A little. And I like light application of this because it's just too beautiful not to. It's just a beautiful, beautiful color. It just gives my skin this beautiful glowing look. And I'm going to change something on my camera really fast. And put some more around my mouth. All around there. I don't want any patchiness. Man. And I'm going to bring you guys in a little closer too. But I'm going to just keep putting it to where I don't do a lot under my eyes. I kind of keep it really low to about right here. And just want to get, because I'm darker around the outer edge of my face and I'm darker around my mouth. I usually color correct, but I chose not to today. Wow. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Oh, and I knew it was this pretty. I knew it was. I just want to make sure I get my entire forehead, because sometimes I forget and I'll be leaving spots. Okay. I can't say enough about this foundation. Like, I can't. But I'm going to do one thing and I'll be right back. Be right back. Okay, I think this is a little bit better, don't y'all? I wanted to get a little bit closer so y'all can see this beautiful foundation on my skin. See, when you find that shade and when you find that foundation that works with your skin, it just makes you smile and happy, because the struggle is real sometimes. The struggle is real trying to find that perfect shade. This foundation just works for me and I love it. I love the way it looks. I love the glow. Can we move on, y'all? Or I'll be all day talking about this foundation. Do my lips. They are plumped a little. And I'm going to put on a new lipstick. So I think I'm going to keep it nude. So I'm going to go on with my matte MAC Chestnut as usual. If you can... Oh, my lips are so plump and nice. They're not that plump, but I use this Anastasia Lip Injection. No, not Anastasia, but Too Faced. And it doesn't tingle me as much as I've heard other people say. It's really gentle, but it makes my lips so smooth, y'all. Like a baby's butt. My lips are so smooth. Ooh. And then I think I'm going to go in with either this Morphe True Story. That's the shade. It's really pretty. Let me see. Ooh. Let's see if I want this. It's okay. I don't know if I wanted this color. True Story. I don't like the lips. I'm not in love. So let's start over. Start over. Start over. What about a bold? Oh, maybe. Let's see. This is Estée Lauder in the color. This is their Pure Color Desire lipstick, and Prove It. It's in the matte formula. Okay. Ooh, y'all, this is pretty. It's really smooth, like. Oh, that's in the color 414. Prove It. Let's prove it. I got something to prove. Okay, let's take a little bit on my lip brush here. Let's make sure you gotta get the whole lip, you know? You gotta make sure you get, because I didn't use a lip liner, so you're gonna go around. This goes so well. This goes so well with the look. And then if you need to just kind of use the tip of a beauty blender. Y'all, this lipstick, I love this. I've enjoyed putting this face on, using my Time Forward foundation. Y'all, if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. If you have a CCO store near you, I say grab it from there. But it's a very, very good foundation. It just glows. It just glows. Eyes, I use my Pat McGrath Lab. Sorry, I don't mean to blind you. Beautiful, 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 beautiful palette. And I use Nars blush in this palette, but I only use the Exhibit A, which is this one here. And for my contour, I use my all-time favorite Danessa Myricks Balm in Deep 2. Love this contour. Very easy contour. You will love it. If you want to try it, I would highly recommend that. And the only thing I didn't use is a highlighter. Let me go over everything else I did before I move on. I used my Thick Mint bronzer over the Danessa Myricks. Beautiful bronzer. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I used Fenty concealer in 410. Sorry about that. I set my face using E.l.f. Stay All Night. This is the microfine setting mist, y'all. This is so good. I used it the other day and my makeup look stunning. It's very cheap. It's $10, so if you want to try it. And then for highlighter, I'm going to try out, which I forgot. I picked this up at Ulta. This is Jacklyn's Cosmetics Va-Va-Voom. And I think it's just going to go well with this look. Her packaging is beautiful. My goodness. Beautiful packaging. Beautiful, beautiful color. Whew. So let's go in with the very top. Oh my God. Whew. A little goes a long way. Holy crap. Oh my God, y'all. My stomach is growling. Oh, y'all. You don't need a lot of this. Nope. Nalina suggested this. I watch her channel. I love her. She suggested this, and oh my God, y'all, she was right. This is absolutely stunning. And y'all, I used a little amount. Look at that. Look at that glow. Oh my. Let me see if I can show y'all the color a little bit better. It's not your typical, it's almost like, and it's like I said, it's kind of like hard. It's not, but it's smooth and it goes on. It's like this orange. I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see. I like to put products back in the box. I know it's weird, but I'm gonna swatch this. Oh my goodness, y'all. That's the color. Isn't that gorgeous? You see why you don't need a lot, and you can probably use this. It has a very nice consistency where you can use it as a eyeshadow. But look at that. That's gorgeous. That's what's on my high cheekbones. It is very fun doing this. I can't wait to continue my journey. This video is going to be when I look back years from now, because I'm keeping positive and staying positive. That's what you should do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. There's many more videos to come. I'm so excited. I've got a lot to share, makeup wise, skincare wise. Just hop on, hit subscribe, and join me when you can. Have a good day. Bye. Trying to make, okay, and now I'm not in focus. Make my room. This is going to hear me talk a little bit of country in me. I'm originally from North Carolina, so I am a North Carolina. I'm a country gal, but I'm small brush like this. Take this dark pink. It's so pretty, y'all. You can see everything on my laptop, on my desk. There you go. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I'm like, it just does something to my skin. You know when you find that perfect. I just bring it down. Where am I going? Okay, here, look in the mirror. Yeah, I need to blend a lot. The lighting don't lie. I'm going to tell y'all that. It'll let you know what's go. Blush. Oh, blush. Oh, blush. Set that using my E.l.f. Let's set that using E.l.f.'s Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. Let's spray, right? And then let's choke. It is matte. And kind of spread it out so it's not all on there like that. Oops. Welcome back. Round 2. I don't know when I stopped recording, y'all. I don't know if you got the lips. I don't even know. This is a very good foundation.